everybody! Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Fun Food for Kids. I'm here with, who am I with?
Dylan.
Dylan! Dylan is here! We're gonna cook some pilaus! Today we're gonna make pizza sliders. Do you like pizza?
Yeah.
Do you like sliders?
Yeah. Tomato sauce. Pizza cheese.
Pizza cheese! You love cheese, don't you? Pizza cheese. Turkey pepperoni, because it's healthy and good for your body. About to put the rolls inside the pan, which we were going to put inside the oven to make the pizza slider loose. Pizza sliders. So now we are going to put the rolls in here. Oh, I gotta do this because I'm big adult, okay? These are very sharp, very scary. Because if kids use it, you cut your arms and you won't have arms. And to play video games. You want your arms? Yeah? Okay. Excellent job. Good job. Put it on like that.
You put the pepperoni on the sauce.
Mmm. Pepperoni on the sauce, and then what are we doing next?
Butter.
Butter! We put the tomato sauce with Italian seasoning and oregano. And then we put it on top of the sliders. Like that. We put the bread, and then we put the pepperoni on top. And now it's Dylan's favorite part.
Yay, cheese!
Okay, sprinkle cheese time. Oh, right. Cheese, put that cheese on there. As much cheese as you can, right? Yeah, you love that cheese. Do you like this cheese, Dills? You sneaky guy. Oh, you sneaky, you little sneaky.
I put all of the cheese on.
Sneaky guy, you're just eating the cheese before I put it on there. And put the Italian seasoning inside the hot butter. It's very hot. And then we're gonna put the butter on top of the sliders before we put it in the oven. Put the hot butter, because when you put the butter on top of the bun, it prevents it from burning too fast. We'll put this on top of this. Put it in the oven now. Oh, put it in the oven. Bam. All right, pizza sliders.
Yay! This is really yummy.
Here we go. Pizza slider loose. Look at that cheesiness. Do you liking? Now we're gonna try it out. Yummy. Pizza sliders are ready.
It's roasted. The cheese, no.
Pizza sliders for you. Made by this little guy right here. And try it out. It's just like a pizza and a burger. Yummy.
Look.
Is it good? Do you like it?
Really buttery.
Yummy, huh?
Yeah.
Delicious. Well, thank you guys for coming out. Another episode of Fun Food for Kids. It's my guest, Dylan Doolins. And catch us next time. See you later.